Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Copyright protects background music and lasts for the life of the author plus 70 years in many countries. That duration means you cannot assume old music is free. Creative Commons licenses make reuse possible by explicitly stating allowed uses and required attribution. Public domain and CC0 works remove restrictions and let you use music without permission or fees. Understanding these categories saves time and prevents strikes or takedowns on platforms like YouTube and Twitch. Start by searching a reputable platform library like YouTube Audio Library or Free Music Archive for free tracks. Prioritize CC0 or a Creative Commons license that explicitly permits commercial use and modifications. Read the license text and note whether attribution is required and how to attribute. Download the track and keep a screenshot of the license plus metadata for your records. Upload your video and paste the exact attribution in the description when the license requires it. When you need broader protection, use licensed tracks from subscription services that grant platform-safe licenses. If a claim appears, replace the disputed music immediately and keep local copies of the license and purchase receipts for disputes. Always include clear attribution when required and timestamp where the music appears in your content. When uncertain about rights, contact the creator directly or buy a simple sync license to obtain explicit written permission for your specific use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.